Hello, I'm Janna Champagne, autism mom, United Patients Group medical advisor, and patient advocate, here to answer your burning questions about cannabis for autism. Today's question is, what is the downside of CBD oil supplementation? The answer is that CBD may not be a fit for every health need, and in some cases, it could actually exacerbate symptoms. For example, caution is warranted in those using CBD for chronic infections who may suffer a Herxheimer or die-off reaction due to CBD's well-established antimicrobial effects. In addition, CBD has the most potential to interact with concurrent pharmaceuticals, which can jeopardize the ability to achieve optimal health outcomes. United Patients Group supports use of Unity Formula's CBD for targeting autism and offers a coupon code UPG15 for a 15% discount off your Unity Formulas purchase at www.unityformulas.com. To learn more, please check out the links on this page, including my research-cited articles and videos explaining the science of cannabis for autism. If you need even more assistance, I also encourage you to click the above link to book a consultation and schedule a session with an autism knowledgeable United Patients Group cannabis nurse. Be informed and be well.